Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. One stock, one time frame, one trade a day if my setup appears. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. The target just hit at 10:43. I was in this trade for an hour. Let's recap. This is Palantir on the 1-minute chart. So I went, the green line is the low. This green line is the low of yesterday. This green line is the low from some day back then. I enter. So when it broke this wedge flag here, I enter right here. My target was here, my stop was up here, and took an hour to get to my target. Patience is key in trading for sure. So that's the trade for today. I followed my plan, waited for my setup, and execute without forcing anything. I exit based on my rules, no emotions. The win isn't the money. The win is that I stay disciplined. Tomorrow the goal stays the same. Show up, follow my plan, and let the market do the rest. And always process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.